Hi, dear DIY crafters, welcome to PandaHall, a place where creativity and beauty meet. Today, we will explore the most popular products of PandaHall with you. Let us start this magical journey together. 304 stainless steel earring hooks in silver are durable and stylish, made of high-quality stainless steel. They are perfect for jewelry making. The silver finish gives a classic look. These beads are colorful, eye-catching, and add a touch of sparkle to any jewelry or crafting project. They are lightweight and easy to work with, making them a great choice for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Alloy enamel pendants combine alloy and enamel for a charming look. They are stylish, durable, and ideal for enhancing jewelry designs. Made of strong carbon steel, they are durable and offer precision. These pliers are designed to handle various tasks. With their comfortable grip and high-quality construction, they are a must-have for any jewelry enthusiast or professional. Thank you for watching. Visit PandaHall now to get more product information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.